Ever feel like your money is slipping through your fingers, a silent thief in the night of subscriptions and forgotten fees? You're not alone. In today's world, managing our finances can feel like navigating a minefield of recurring charges, many of which we barely even remember signing up for. We've all been there, haven't we? That moment of dread when you look at your bank statement and see a charge for a service you haven't used in months, maybe even years. This is where apps like Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, step in, promising to be your financial superhero, swooping in to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and even help you budget. And while the free version offers some helpful tools, today we're diving deep into the premium offering, Rocket Money Premium. The big question, the one that's likely brought you here today, is Rocket Money Premium truly worth the extra cost? To answer that, we need to dissect exactly what Rocket Money Premium offers, weigh its benefits against its price tag, and ultimately help you decide if it aligns with your financial needs and goals. So, buckle up as we explore the features, the potential savings, and the crucial considerations before you hit that upgrade button. Let's start by laying the groundwork. Rocket Money, at its core, is a personal finance app designed to simplify money management. It connects to your various financial accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, to give you a holistic view of your financial landscape. The free version already provides a valuable service by identifying your recurring subscriptions, allowing you to track your spending, and offering basic budgeting tools. This can be incredibly helpful for getting a handle on where your money is going and identifying those low-hanging fruit subscriptions you can easily cancel. Now, let's step into the realm of Rocket Money Premium. What additional firepower does this paid tier offer? The key features typically include bill negotiation. This is often touted as a flagship feature. Rocket Money Premium will attempt to negotiate lower rates on your behalf for services like internet, phone, and cable bills. They take a percentage of the savings as their fee. Subscription cancellation. While the free version identifies subscriptions, the premium version offers a more hands-off approach, where Rocket Money will actively attempt to cancel them for you. Smart savings. This feature allows you to set savings goals and automate contributions based on rules you define. It aims to make saving more effortless. Advanced budgeting. Premium often unlocks more granular budgeting tools, allowing for custom categories and more in-depth tracking and analysis of your spending habits. Net worth tracking. Get a comprehensive view of your assets and liabilities in one place, providing a clearer picture of your overall financial health. Unlimited budgets. The free version may limit the number of budgets you can create, while premium typically offers unlimited flexibility. Priority support. Premium users often receive faster and more direct customer support. These features sound appealing, especially the promise of saving money on bills without having to spend hours on the phone with customer service. But let's delve deeper into each of these and consider the potential value they offer. The bill negotiation feature is a major draw for many. Imagine someone else haggling with your internet provider to lower your monthly bill. The convenience is undeniable. However, it's crucial to understand how this works. Rocket Money typically charges a percentage of the savings they achieve. So, if they lower your bill by $20 a month and their fee is 30%, you'll pay them $6 for that month, effectively saving you $14. The success of these negotiations can vary greatly depending on the provider, your location, and your existing plan. It's not a guaranteed saving, and you'll only pay if they are successful. It's worth considering how much time and effort you would personally put into negotiating these bills yourself. If the thought fills you with dread, then this feature might be worth the premium cost. The subscription cancellation feature offers another layer of convenience. While the free version shows you your subscriptions and provides the information to cancel them, the premium version takes that step for you. This can be particularly useful for those who are busy or tend to procrastinate on these tasks. However, it's important to note that some subscriptions may require your direct involvement for cancellation, and Rocket Money's ability to cancel them on your behalf is an absolute. Smart Savings aims to automate your savings process. You can set goals, define rules for automatic transfers, like rounding up transactions or setting aside a fixed amount regularly, and let the app handle the rest. This can be a powerful tool for building savings habits without actively thinking about it constantly. The value here depends on your current savings discipline. If you struggle to save consistently, this feature could be a significant benefit. Advanced budgeting provides more detailed control over your spending categories. If you find the basic budgeting in the free version too limiting, the premium tier allows for more customization and potentially deeper insights into your spending patterns. This is particularly useful for those who are serious about tracking their expenses meticulously and identifying areas for improvement. Net worth tracking offers a valuable overview of your financial health beyond just income and expenses. By linking your asset accounts, like investments and property, and liability accounts, like loans, you can see your complete financial picture in one place. This can be motivating and helpful for long-term financial planning. Unlimited budgets is a straightforward benefit for those who like to categorize their spending in detail. If you have numerous spending categories you want to track separately, the premium version removes any limitations. Priority support can be a significant advantage if you anticipate needing assistance or have questions frequently. Faster response times and more direct support can save you time and frustration. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Rocket Money Premium typically operates on a subscription model, with monthly or annual fees. The exact pricing can vary, so it's crucial to check their current rates. You need to weigh this recurring cost against the potential savings and benefits you anticipate receiving. To determine if Rocket Money Premium is worth it for you, consider these questions. How many unwanted subscriptions do you realistically have? If you're already quite diligent about managing your subscriptions, the cancellation feature might not offer significant value. How much time and effort would you realistically put into negotiating your bills? If you're comfortable with this process, the bill negotiation feature might not justify the premium cost. Do you struggle with saving consistently? If so, the Smart Savings feature could be a game changer. Do you need more advanced budgeting tools than what the free version offers? If basic budgeting meets your needs, the upgrade might not be necessary. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.